Ke National Highway 51 Garo Hills Rockfest Arjar Arpusau kabalawai no ha ka arpoi tarik Nohprah kala pynsahnud thei bekirang jingrwai jingput jingtem na ki Lum Garo. Ha kani ka lympung shad kmen ki Samla la pynlong ru jingiakop tem kabalawan ban shiminta de ki Kynhun na baroh ki district kari Lum Garo. Ke Kynhun Nongtem Armoured Band na ki Lum Karbi Anglong kalawan ban shiminta ha kani ka lympung shad kmen bat ban iakhun ha ka jingiakop Kynhun Nongtem Batbit Tam. Da shisha ka Armoured Band kala Khur ya ka thong lado bat kalara ya ka buskit baningkong sanpau Hajar Tyngka. Ka Kynhun Wrath Befall kalawan baar batro laipau Hajar Tyngka ka noctophilia kala yo ban thep ha plakinsid arpau Hajar Tyngka kum ka Kynhun balai. Ka Armoured Band kalasar bat Khur napang ya ka nam Best Vocalist, Best Lead Guitarist, Best Bassist bat Best Drummer. Kinong penyat ya kini kelumpung kila penpau ke jing sngongu ya baroh kinong kershan bor met bor buj bat bor pisah. Usyong kenor ke ying dorbar tauan ke jelau Thomas E. Sangma ulalong ukongsan ban sam buskit ya ki Kynhun ki belara ya ka nam job.
Right now, I'm with the winners of the NH51 beat contest. The winners, Armoured Band, are here with us. They are from Karbi Anglong, Difu, Assam. So I just want to ask them, how did you feel about the festival? Anyone can answer.
So I'll speak first. So we are, we are armored all the way from Difu, Karbi Anglong, and we play metal. And we recently heard about Nohprah beat contest, NH51 Garo Hill beat contest. So we were not even really planned about this thing, and we were not even ready to come for this contest. But we don't know what happened. We just planned it for it, and we came on. So our expectation was, it was really, it won't be we were thinking it won't be much grand all stuff. But when we arrived this place, and then we met the people and we saw this kind of thing, and then this is the third audition, I think. So for us, so to say, we are very much glad to have here, and then we are so much happy, and and especially the people out here, and I don't know the tribes, because this is my first time this is our first time, so to say, visiting.
Everything was top notch.
Everything was
hospitality, the food, everything.
people.
Yeah, the environment,
Everyone.
everything. We really love this place.
And I must say the judge.
We really can't wait to be back again.
And those who are coming for the second, please make sure you don't miss this, okay? Please come and visit Nohprah NH51 Garo National Beat Contest.